Game start. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're someone who's ever tried to improve your tennis game, you already know that the hardest part isn't showing up. It's finding someone consistent to practice with. So when I got my hands on this Tenniix AI Tennis Robot trainer, I was genuinely curious. Now, this is a robot that I shared in a previous video after my CES visit where I got to check this thing out firsthand. And now that I've got my hands on it, I'm going to talk about it, review it, and see how well it lives up to the hype. And after this video, we're going to see if it answers the question, can a robot actually replace a tennis hitting partner? Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through what I like using this Tenniix Robot AI machine and also how it performs in real practice sessions. I'm going to tell you what I liked and also realistically what you can expect if you're thinking about picking one of these up. So let's get into it. So first off, what is Tenniix? So at a high level, Tenniix is an AI-powered tennis training robot that goes way beyond a traditional ball machine. Now, if you're someone who's used a ball machine before, most machines just fire balls in a preset pattern. You set a drill and it repeats the same thing over and over again. Well, Tenniix is different. This new device uses vision-based AI tracking to monitor where you are on the court, and it adjusts the shots in real time, which means your practice sessions feel a lot more like an actual rally instead of just repetitive drills. Now that's really the core idea here. Turn solo training into something that feels interactive. Now, at first glance, what stands out about this machine is its core technology. This AI tracking system is not only this machine's biggest differentiator, but also makes up the core technology powering the entire system. The robot uses cameras and sensors to track your movement, and based on that, it adjusts where and how it sends the next shot. So instead of predictable feeds, you get cross-court shots, short balls, deep returns, and alternating rally patterns. When you're actually using it, this makes a big difference because you're not just hitting balls, you're reacting to the random ball placement that the machine determines real time. Now, what I noticed pretty quickly is that Tenniix forces you to move. You're not just standing in one spot hitting forehands, you're actually moving side to side, recovering between shots, and constantly adjusting your positioning. Now that's where it starts to feel more like actual tennis instead of just drilling mechanics. Now, another feature that I didn't think I'd care about, but ended up really liking, is the control system. You can adjust drills using voice commands or through a wearable remote, which you just have on you all the time. So you don't have to constantly walk back to the machine between sets to change the type of shots that you're getting. Now that keeps the rhythm going, which is huge when it comes to practice. Now, from a performance and specs perspective, for something this compact, performance is actually pretty solid. You actually get a workout with speeds going up to around 70 miles per hour. You've also got adjustable spin and trajectory, and it's got a ball capacity of around 100 balls. And of course, the battery life lasts for around 4 hours per session, which is more than enough for most training sessions. And then on top of that, there are tons of built-in drills, from beginner level consistency work to more advanced rally simulations. Now, when it comes to the different variants and models, Tenniix comes in 3 main versions, and which one you choose really depends on how serious you are about training. You've got the Tenniix Basic, which is the version that the Tenniix team sent me, sitting right here. It's more focused on consistency drills and repetition. It's great if you're working on fundamentals like forehands, backhands, and general timing. Now, unlike the higher end models, it doesn't have full AI tracking, but it does still offer things like adjustable speed and spin, app control, and like the others, it's got a portable design, which is great if you're a solo player who plays a lot and needs something that's lightweight and transportable. It's definitely a good starting point if you're newer to tennis or you just want reps. And then later, if you do want to add enhancements, you can purchase accessories like the camera to add the features and functionalities of the more advanced models, which is nice because you can start with a basic model and then continue to build up and add accessories and features as you get more advanced and want more functionality out of the system. After that, you've also got the Tenniix Pro. Now the Pro version is where things start to get interesting. This adds the AI tracking system thanks to its modular vision system and camera. So now the robot reacts to your movement in real time. Now this is where it starts to feel like an actual training partner instead of just a machine. Now, if you're like me and you're just a regular player, this is probably the sweet spot that you'll want to consider. And then lastly, you've got the Tenniix Ultra. The Ultra model is the most advanced version. This one actually moves around the court. Instead of staying in one spot, it repositions itself to change shot angles, which makes practice feel way more realistic. Honestly, this is the closest thing that I've seen to simulating an actual opponent. Now, one of the biggest advantages of Tenniix is its portability. Traditional machines are heavy and a pain to move around. This Tenniix machine is much lighter and weighs almost as much as a tennis bag. You can actually carry it around the court without much effort, and you can also throw it in your trunk and set it up very quickly. Now that alone makes it way more usable day to day. Now, when it comes to what I like about this Tenniix robot, here's what stood out to me after using it. First, it makes practice feel dynamic instead of repetitive. Second, it's super portable. This is something that you'll actually bring to the court and also use. Third is the flexibility. You've got different models and configurations to choose from, and you've got tons of drills, and there's continuous room to grow through accessories and even over-the-air updates.
Okay,
and then honestly, the biggest thing that I like is having a practice partner whenever you want is just incredibly convenient. Now, when it comes to price and value, pricing does vary depending on the model that you choose. The basic model, which I have sitting right here, starts at $799. And then the Pro, which is the mid-range model, is around $1,100. And then the Ultra, which is the premium model with all the bells and whistles, costs upwards of $1,600. Now, I know it may seem a bit pricey, but it's definitely more competitive than other tennis machines out there, except you're getting way more tech for the price. This basic model has everything you need and is equipped with 3 main functions that is great for all users. It's got a training mode, it's got match mode, and a bunch of different custom modes. Now, if you're someone who's looking for features such as ball tracking and the ability for the Tenniix to send the next ball based on your return quality, you'll definitely want to consider the Pro and Plus models and some of the add-ons. So if you're someone who trains consistently or enjoys the sport, it is definitely worth purchasing. Now, at the end of the day, Tenniix isn't just a better ball machine. I'd say it's a different category. Now, is it perfect? I'd have to say no, but nothing is ever perfect. But thanks to over-the-air updates and the expansion capabilities, it's always improving and always getting better. So you've got something that is gonna be perfect, at least for your needs, as you provide feedback and use it more and more. Now, if you want more reps, more flexibility, and a smarter way to train on your own schedule, this is a really compelling option. So what do you think? Are you someone that would actually train with an AI tennis robot like this? Let me know in the comments section below. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're into honest reviews on tech like this, make sure that you hit that notification bell to get a heads up when I post new content. Anyways, I'm Chris Lowe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.